ginagawa tayo ngayon. Hello everyone, salamat for watching my premiere for today. Ayan, meron tayong glass container. Lemons inside already, green lemons. I don't know what you call this in your country. You can also call this dayap. There is also what you call yellow lemon. So I'm taking the seeds out. There, one more. Careful. Okay, after that, next we have ginger. Except to clean them out. So you would imagine what is this for? Okay, you guess what is this for? Then we smack it. Now, after smacking, okay, put it in with the lemons. Next, okay. Next we have, what do you call this one? Garlic. Okay, garlic. Take off the edge. Smack it too. Then mix. Okay, done with this one. Okay, next one is, we have this one. Lemongrass. So we're gonna use them all. Try to peel so that you can see the freshest buds coming out. See? There. Again, smack them. Look for the freshest buds of the leaf. Mix in the jar. Okay, update. We have lemon, ginger, garlic, lemongrass. Okay, one more solid ingredient. Next we have this one, onion. So you can use either white or red onion, whichever is available. Okay. After that, you have to separate the deep slices. Okay, now you have the base. We're done. Okay, we're done with the base. Now we need to add the liquid. Our liquid is this one. So you add this one, everything inside. So it's called raw honey. Matong nguyen chat. It's called raw honey here. So this is one of the topmost honey here in Hanoi or here in Vietnam. Oy, where is the opening? There. Peel off. See, some honey are dark, some honey are lighter than this one. So whichever is available to you. So raw honey is better, of course, raw honey. Okay. Smell good. So try to pour them all. Pour the mixture all inside our jar with our condiments, mixture of condiments. So sometimes you can also arrange which one goes first. You can add onion first, followed by the ginger and the lemons and the lemongrass. Up to you, as long as everything is inside the jar. So I think this one is a 1 liter. Is it 1 liter? I think it's only 500. Yeah, it's not 1 liter. It's only 500 grams. Maybe tomorrow I will add another one more bottle of this one because I only have one. Yeah, only have one because the the mixture is until half, almost half. So after this one, when everything is there, just cover it and then you can start using it by tomorrow. One spoonful in the morning before eating or before anything. Okay, one spoonful in the morning, and then before you sleep, one spoonful also. So before you sleep and in the morning. So this one will help your like your throat. If you have cold, if you have phlegm, like when we call it in Philippines is pagka nagdadahak-dahak ka. Diba ako ganun minsan eh. Especially with the change of weather. So this is a good remedy, natural remedy for you to help alleviate phlegm in your throat and your lungs. If ever you have those have those symptoms. Okay, that's it. So there. So I have to cover it. Lock. There. So there's still space. So I think I need to add honey more for tomorrow. So as you can see, it's now going up because of the liquid mixture that is mixed underneath. Ano kaya nalaglag ano? Yan. So that's the mixture. So you can start using this by tomorrow because the honey needs to be soaked with our ingredients mixed inside the jar. Again, you can start off with onion, white or red onions, ginger, lemongrass, okay, garlic, and all together there. And then of course honey. So I'm trying to move it so that it can somehow mix well with our ingredients. Oh, there. So you can put this in the refrigerator, okay. Or otherwise, much better to leave it in a place where there's no sun lighting on it, okay, so that it will not moist out. And then from there you can just get a spoonful morning and then before you sleep. So I hope this helps everyone watching this video, this vlog or premiere. Sorry, this would be a premiere. Thank you everyone for watching and supporting my channel, Zoomflix. So I hope this homemade remedy would be successful. I will let you know if something needs to be adjusted or added. I think that is already okay because from the information that I got, there is no ginger. They don't add ginger. So what I did is to add ginger and lemongrass. Ginger and lemongrass was added. It's only the honey, the lemon, and the onions that were added in this jar. So what I thought was, why not add lemongrass? Why not add lemongrass and ginger? Okay, so here's our used onion. So we have to keep this one. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Thank you. This is Zoomflix. I hope we'll see what will come up after this. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.